Unlock the soul of your subjects with Nano Banana, your new secret weapon, for breathtaking AI portraits. Let's dive right in. We start by crafting a compelling prompt. Think about your desired style. Is it hyper-realistic, painterly, or something more avant-garde? Describe the subject, their pose, and the mood you want to evoke. For example, try something like young woman, serene expression, studio lighting, soft focus background, style of a Renaissance painting. Once you've generated your initial image, the real magic begins in the refinement tools. Look for the Detail Enhancement slider. Gently increase this to bring out subtle textures in the skin, hair, and clothing. Adding that professional polish, don't overdo it. We're aiming for natural beauty, not an over-sharpened look. Next, let's master the light. Nano Banana offers intuitive lighting controls. You can adjust the intensity and direction of your key light to sculpt your subject's features. Use the fill light to soften shadows, and the backlight to create a subtle rim of light for a dramatic separation from the background, giving your portrait depth. Now for that artistic flair. Explore the built-in artistic effects. You can easily apply subtle black and white conversions for a timeless feel. Add a warm sepia tone for vintage charm, or introduce a vignette to draw the viewer's eye directly to your subject's face. Experiment to find the perfect touch that complements your image. With these techniques, you're not just generating images, you're creating art. Nano Banana empowers you to capture the essence of your subjects with professional quality results. Happy creating.